All right, let's talk about them. Ammo buying clubs, gun buying clubs. You know, whether you're into buying really high-end ammo or whether or not you're just looking at getting a Canic Prime. What's the best place to get guns and ammo? That was a question I had years ago. As a matter of fact, I looked at Big Daddy Unlimited. Actually, I had to write them down. Big Daddy Unlimited, Sportsman's Guide, Firearms Direct Club. Let me tell you what I believe is going on in the industry and how maybe I can help you a little bit. And at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you a place where truthfully it is guns at wholesale, and you also get something for the subscription or for the membership, which most of these other ones you don't. It's just a discounted buying. So over the last 8 years, I've watched one company, Palmetto State Armory. I didn't like them when they first came out, not because they were doing anything wrong. I just, the products would come in, I'd look at them. And if you're a PSA fan, don't get mad about what I'm getting ready to say because they've come a long way. But 8 years ago, the quality control was not what it needed to be. The triggers weren't all that great. We found parts just kind of substandard back then. Now, when PSA ships parts in, quite honestly, they stepped up their game. The products are good. I think they're real solid. I don't think they're the top of the line. I think they have a little, they have moved into being a good medium type AR-15. I don't care for some of their pistols. I've shot enough of them at the range. When we were having range data, it's just not my style. But maybe you like them. However, that's not the real discussion today. PSA goes in, and I believe what they do is they'll find an overstock with a manufacturer. Maybe it's a Walther P22Q, or maybe they're buying out a bunch of SIG P320s. Can't imagine why they'd be buying those out. But they find things I think that they can buy direct. They cut out the middleman. The wholesaler's gone. You do get a much better deal on a lot of those guns. No questions about it. Now, what we have seen is when transfers come in, sometimes, if your transfers between $25 and $100, like some places in other states are charging $100 for transfers. I know it's wild, right? If you're going to buy a gun in Chicago and they're going to have to go through the Floyd card and all those types of checks. If you lived in a communist state, sorry about that, but that's the truth of the matter. But once you buy the gun from PSA and you pay your transfer fee, you may be paying about the same as you could get the gun wholesale if you can buy wholesale. I did it in one of the last videos. It was about Ammoseek. I'm not going to pick on Big Daddy Unlimited. I'm not going to pick on Firearms Direct Club. I'm not going to pick on Sportsman's Guide. What I'm going to tell you is, though, that money that you pay every year, it's $15 a month on average, so you're paying $125 times 12. So you're paying $180 a year for a membership and the right to buy guns at a discounted rate. So your average dealer on a Glock is only making about $80 a Glock anyway. If you only buy 2 guns a year, you're probably not saving any money. Now, if you are if you're a habitual buyer like some of us are, if you're buying more than guns, you're buying ammo, you're buying targets, you're buying bulletproof vests, you're buying your duty gear, you're buying your belts, you're buying your batons, you're buying your taser. If you have a place to buy all those things, and you can get those at wholesale, then it becomes a really good deal. That's what the end of the video is about. So I'm about to wrap up. What I'm going to tell you is there is one place that I know of where you can get, and it is a subscription, but the subscription provides you identity theft for the entire family. It provides you mortgage and title theft. So if somebody comes in and tries to steal your title, steal your mortgage, steal your house, they steal your wife's social security number, they steal your kids' social security numbers, they come in and wreck your identity of your family, you've got a place to clean it up. So it's a service that provides that for your family. In addition to that, you also get to buy anything that's sold at the store. It's about 500,000 different products online, from ammo to guns, anything you can possibly think of that you would want for personal defense, prep, and self-defense. I'm going to put the link below. You can also grab the QR code still here. Yeah, well, this is the service, Identity Lock. That's the service right there, if you can see that. It's Identity Lock. Can you see this right here? I'm going to put the link below what the service is. For a family with a discount code, and we've got a discount code that they gave us, I'll put that below as well. It's about $25 a month. It's more than a firearms membership, but you actually get something for the money. It's not just being able to buy firearms at Wholesale. Hope this helps. I'm not picking on any way, Big Daddy or Sportsman's Guide or FDC, Firearms Direct Club. I think, honestly, they came up with good ideas. I'm here to support companies that come up with good ideas to get product to the 2A community. However, if you're not a huge investor in stuff, it's probably not a good deal for you. If you're buying a ton of crap every year, it's probably a decent deal, but the best deal is where you get something for your money in addition to being able to buy stuff at Wholesale. Again, links below, discount code is below. If you have any questions, I'm sure you can reach out through the link and they'll answer them. Hey, do me a favor. Please like and subscribe.